bed. I got up anyway with glass of coffee in my hand. I flip on the TV to see if I was every day. Same old story in a way. Was it so cold out today? Have you ever seen the sun as it comes up for rain? Have you been there when it's so hot everything is melts away? Have you felt the breeze blow through your heart, not knowing how to play? What does it matter? The next day was better. I was only 5 minutes late. It's alright, I said it's alright. Joe says it's been slow today. I feel like my time come because too